welcome to my channel Techie course. Today I'm going to tell you the note taking app which I use to take notes on online classes. So it's actually a great app. It's very useful and it has a lot of features. So let's get into that app very fast. Now this is the app called Miro. You can download it from the web, or you can also create whiteboards on the web. Now you need to create a new board, and there'll be a new untitled board like this. If you click on this, you can of course change the title. For now I just leave it like that. And first let's start off with this first one, which is templates. There's millions of templates available in Miro. You can get Mind Map, Kanban framework, and stickies, customer journey, matrix, and a lot. So let me add Likert scale. Now see, this is the easy template which is added. So in option 1 you can create some notes. Actually it's not this feature is not very useful for students, so I don't do this a lot. And then the text, of course, you need it the most. Now you can just type in something, like I type in science, spelling mistake, science, and the topic name is going to be respiration, the blood of life. So this is the topic. Now I can just select it and then bold. Now we can just increase the size over here. Now see, it looks exactly like a title. So you can again add a text and type in something. Let me remove the bold. And you can just type in something. Now I create another text box and I type in something again. Now you can just click on this and you see some dot like over here. If you just click that, you can connect it with this. See, it shows you like an arrow which leads to this particular text. So this is one feature. The next one which you have is sticky note, which is very useful. I can select the color and I can just paste it here. And sticky note is going to be do the homework. Now this paste it like a sticky note, and you can just change the shape if you want, like a star shape. For now I just put the normal sticky note shape. And the second feature is shapes. You get default shapes over here. You can also add some shapes, brackets and some plus symbols and a rhombus. How many shapes you can add? And then a connection line. You can select just a normal line, a line with an arrow. This is a normal line, and this is the line with an arrow, and this one is a stylish line like this. It goes from small to big. So this is the very important feature, which is the pen. You can draw using this smart drawing. I select and then I select the color, and now I can just draw something. I draw the shape. Now you can just turn off smart drawing, and now see, if I draw a triangle, it's just like that. But if I turn on smart drawing and then draw a triangle, it sometimes, see, it turns into a triangle in its shape. I didn't do any editing, it just turned on because it's a smart drawing. I do it again, I do a rectangle this time. Okay, see, it just turned into a rectangle. Now let me do a square. Okay, a circle. This is very useful when you do in maths, and it just turns into a perfect circle. Now if you want to erase it, you can just click on this erase, and then you can increase the thickness and erase this part. Okay, because it's a smart drawing, it cannot be erased, it can only be deleted. You can click on the cursor and then select this and delete it. But for now I'm not going to delete it. You can just click on the pen and draw something and the eraser. And now, okay, fine. Let me turn off smart drawing first. If it's a smart drawing, then it can't erase. And that erase, and now it erases really easily. And comments, you can add comments to each shape or a text. Now if I select this text shape and then I add a comment, this is an arrow. Now it shows that this shape has a comment. Now in this account, if somebody else is using, they can see this comment. This is an arrow, and you can mark it the green, red, blue and green, and you can also get reminders on your get some notifications on your replies to that comment. The next feature we have is frame. You can select a frame to which the notes is going to be into. After that frame, it cannot be done. So I can put 16 into 9. So this part of the frame only gets saved in my laptop, but I don't need a frame now. So I just delete the frame. 1 minute. I can just delete the frame. Now you can upload things also. You can click on the upload and then you can upload image from the device, or also you can upload some URL on the image and saved files and even Chrome extension, and you can get more also from Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, OneDrive and Adobe CC also. And you can go to the more. You can also code on this. It's actually empt code, so you need to have a empt, you need to learn empt coding for doing that. And web page capture. Now I just need to enter the URL to capture it. I go to Safari and I just copy this and I paste it here, and okay, it's going to load and see what happens after it loads. Okay, so I need to enter my email ID. This is the, okay, let me use another example to show you, because this actually needs an email ID to be shown. What I do is just go to Wikipedia. I go to this wikipedia.org and I copy this. I select this and copy it. Now I can go to my row and go to more, go to upload, more. Okay, where did I go? Okay, I went to more and then web page capture, enter. Okay, they're going to get the Wikipedia in our Milo app, just like a web page. See, we got our same page which we just saw now. See over here, we got the same exact page over here in our Milo app. So this is the web page capture. And icon finder, you can find icons over here. Icons on folder, home and call icon, dislike icon, send icon and many icons. Next we have stickies. If you have any stickies in your Mac, so you can just import the stickies over here. And the wireframe library, which is the most useful stuff you can do over here. Go to wireframe library and you can click on the ratio which you want. If you want a phone to be applied over here, I click on the phone. Now a phone comes over here and I can type in stuff, shape, and then I can type in hi. Now it looks like the mobile is showing hi, and you can enter a button also, and then you can also put radio buttons for You can do a to do actually. Now to do is do the homework. Now after I do the homework, I can just checkbox it, and okay, state is unchecked. I make it checked. Now okay, I have a spelling mistake. Let me remove the Q. Now it's checked. It means that you finish the homework. That can be a one thing. And you also have avatar. You can put in an avatar of the YouTube channel or anything. You can change the color. You can make it this. Then I'm searching for images, and then I put this notification symbol. See, and then you can also have a switch, which is toggle state on, off, on, and off. And then you can also put in a video symbol, and then change it icon also, and then I can change its color. You can make it circle, oval, and just icon over here. So these are some features. So let's go to the next feature. And we have a tables and charts. You can also have a pie chart over here. See, title 1 is going to be 50% for me, but no, it's not going to be 50%. I'm going to make it 75%, and the title 1 is going to be video 1 views is 75%, and title 2 video 2 views, and it's going to be the remaining 25%. Now we have our video 2 views and video 1 views in 75% and 25% manner, and I can click on a title so that even a title is shown. This is another feature. You can also put other tables and charts like a bar chart, a column chart, and also a filter chart, and also a normal table. And you have Google image search. If you want any images from Google, you can just search me over here. Hi, I search it, and I got hi images. I just click on hi and then select. Okay, let me just do it again. That image was not working. Let me select another image. Let me select this image. Now we have our image over here, which we just saw. This is another useful feature. So I forgot to show you another thing in this. You can disable this button so that it looks a little transparent, and then enable it back. And you can put icons inside it. And if you click on this more option, you can copy link forward, duplicate, create frame, and many. Now we have mind map. Mind map is useful, like you have some things in your mind, and like do this. What should I do? I can just add it over here. Do the dishes, and then I can add something over here, and I can put it over, join it, and I can. This is the mind map. This is not very useful for me for taking notes. And you have a card. The card, what it does, like I enter something, my name, Nitish Krishna. Let me just put it off. I have named Nitish Krishna, and you can just put in your calendar a date you want, and then I put 26th. October 26th. This was done on October 26th, and you can just edit the shape. You can put it to full screen. Description. Hello. This is a test. Now this is going to be done. This is the thing which we did, and we can get the description by clicking this. So next feature which we have is Kanban. Oh, I think I didn't select the Kanban. 1 minute. Yeah, Canva. Okay, I selected it. And to do. I have something to do. So I'm going to do something. The to do is some, again I'm going to do a homework. So do the homework you can do, and I can just close this for now. And then in progress, you can just put it to full screen, and you can enter some description and enter the due date if you want. 29 is the due date, and change the color, and many things you can do. Let me edit the title of the column. To do homework.
Alert from System UI
Alert
Server.
from System
Low
UI
battery.
Server. Low battery.
Now we can add a column, delete a column, and many more. So this is the Canva framework, and you can enter grids. Amount of grids you want to be captured over here. So we have some 6 grids over here, and you can also add a column and add a row. Now we can click on the more symbol and edit the text, animation, and all. And we have emojis. We have all the emojis which we get on WhatsApp and social medias. These are very useful when you need something funny on your notes. I click on this emoji, and it's going to be coming over here. So you can click on get more apps. You can get an apps like Adobe and many apps like Google Drive also, and Microsoft Teams. You can enter some meeting through your notes, which is very useful. So this is the features up in this column. Now let's go to the second one. I know there's a lot of features and this is a very big video. What to do, Milo has that much of features left with it, and I'm just in a free version. If I go to premium version, it's going to be really lot. So another very useful feature is notes. Like a to-do list, you can add over here. My to-do list is going to be the heading of homeworks pending, and add an action item here. So homeworks pending. Okay, I have a spelling mistake.
It's 10:30.
It's 10:30.
I'm going to add an item here. The item is social homework, and if I didn't finish it, I can uncheck it, and if I finish, I can check it and uncheck and check it. And this is the notes feature. It's going to be in the site itself. It's going to be over here. So this is you can also set feed on notifications you need, if someone reads this or something. And next feature is frames, which you already saw, and the presentation mode. If you are on a presentation in a Zoom meeting, you can just click on a presentation mode, and all these things will get hidden, and you only have these things which you've done. Then click it again to turn off the presentation mode. Now I go to comments. You can see all the comments which I added. You saw that I added a comment in this arrow. That is one comment. And next feature we have is chat. If someone else is in your organization, like if my friend is also accessing this board, so if I click on hi, and he will get a message of hi, and he can also reply to me just like WhatsApp. So if I have any doubts on this whiteboard and he knows the answer, I can just enter a doubt and then he can tell the answer. Next is cards. These are the cards which we did, Canva framework and a to-do list. You can just see everything over here. And then you have screen sharing. You can start your screen sharing over here itself, and then it's going to be shared in a Zoom or a team meeting if you are already in that meeting. I'm not in, so it is not going to work. and I can vote for this, which is a free one. It is not accessible in the free version, and even the video chat. We also have video chat option here, like just like a video call, but it's a premium feature, so we can't use it. And next we have a timer. Like if you want a timer to be done for a particular thing, you can also set that. And activity monitor. It is going to tell you all the activity which you did. See, I added a grade, I added an emoji, I added a car, I added a Kanban. So these are the things which I did till now. So these are the amazing features of my app, and my throat is here actually paining of talking for this much time. You can I just rename this board. It's going to be called as my video tutorial. My video tutorial. Okay, again a spelling mistake. If you do so much of spelling mistake like me, then this Miro is going to be very useful. It's going to autocorrect your spelling mistakes. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, share it to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And bye bye. See you in the next session.